Hey there, it's Jill with Texas Gardening Gal. I made 2 trips to 2 different Lowe's, and I believe I finally have everything I need. So now it's just getting everything unloaded. But I think what I'm gonna do is I might fill up one of the beds, raised beds today, and then just be done for the day, because you can only just do so much lifting and the heat. So let's get our gloves on. Okay. I told my husband last night, I never thought I'd say this, but like, I'm just getting used to it being hot. It's just like an everyday occurrence that it's 100 degrees, and it's just the way it is. Okay, we might as well just go ahead and get this lower one filled. So I'm gonna lower the camera so you can kind of see it. I put some straw on the bottom first, and then just some kind of soil here and there from when we did our concrete. 3 bags of this here, and a half a bag of this here. Okay, that's it for today. We're gonna go in, we're gonna cool off, take a shower, and I might work on the raised bed. I might put that together tonight if it cools off, because it's all cut. Just needs to be put together. So, be back. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and so these are the ones that are already pre-cut. Let me go ahead and measure. So I'm thinking they're 3 by 3. Yep, they're gonna be 3 by 3. So I need to cut this wisely. Okay, they're cut. All right, so here's where I lay both the fence panels down flat, and then I'm just gonna do something similar to this here. And then what I'll end up doing is I'm actually gonna flip it over, and I'll have both ends ready to go, and then we'll get them screwed in. One. So now that I have all of these ready to go, I'm gonna get them pieced together now. So we're getting them all together, and we're attaching it to this part here. And here we go. Garden bed number 3 is built and ready to be filled up. All right, I just had an idea. So to save a little bit of money, instead of buying bricks like this to do that outline here and the outline around, I'm going to use the material I have left to do a border. So again, we'll have to measure and cut that piece down. And this one's pretty close. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so we got it cut, and it is attached to this bed here. So now we need to work on this piece here. I need to measure this so that way I can attach it to here, and then obviously we'll attach it to there. And there we go, guys. All done. So I just need to fill this bed in with some soil yet, and I'm probably gonna need obviously some more there. I don't want to fill this one up too high. It's maybe a fence panel and just over a little bit more. On the bottom of that bed, I do have 4 fence panels covered with weed barrier, straw, and then the soil, but I don't want to put it too high because this is only going to last for so long and I'm going to have to replace it. The one thing I wanted to add is when I do fill up my beds, I have actually started using just a little layer of straw. That way I don't have to buy as much soil. Just kind of helps fill up the bed since I really don't have trees in my yard for leaves or sticks or all that other stuff you see people putting in their beds to kind of fill them up. So this video is way overdue. To kind of show you where the new raised beds are at this time, and there's actually stuff growing in it already. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm still trying to fill this one up. This last weekend, I just, for whatever reason, had intentions on working outside, and I said, nope, we're not doing that. So I finally got this one. I'm gonna probably do another 2 bags of soil in this one. And this one here, I planted hollyhocks in the back, and then 2 different lettuces here, and then as you can see over there, a zucchini is finally raising. Oh, and I just noticed my marigolds. I didn't see those this morning. There's marigolds over here. So, and I see some more over here. Goodness. See right there, some more marigolds. And there as well. So very good. What I plan on planting here are most likely all snap peas. The ones I planted in spring were super yummy. So over here, I might do some broccoli, and I'm not sure what else yet. Okay, and over here is like a complete disorganized mess right now. I'm moving some things around. I kind of feel like growing up, my grandmother always used to rearrange her living room, and I'm kind of to the point where I feel like I'm always rearranging my garden space. I had this over here, and I didn't like it. So I put that back. I need to level off these 2 barrels yet. And over here, I think I'm actually gonna take this raised bed and put it to where I just showed you. This area is just kind of been on hold as I'm trying to weed this out too. Just been unsure since I've had these cannas. It's just, I don't like it. I removed that and placed it over here where all the barrels are. So we'll need some more soil again. Got my work cut out for me. I need to get stuff planted in the raised beds, add more soil, fix that one corner where I'm rearranging, and then finally the bed with the metal raised beds, I need to fix that. So always a project going on, always something to do. I hope you follow my journey. If you're still watching, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye.